when it's good and I can breathe a little. And my
Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to be showing you my market haul, what I've done this morning. This is a Saturday morning. Seems like today's video will be a vlog. I've not done a vlog before, so let's do this. I'm dressed in white and I'm going to be finishing up this attire. I'll show you how it will look in the final end. I'll be going for a friend's baby shower, and this is what I had to do before I went so that my week can be organized, because I work during the week, Monday to Friday, and Saturdays are the best days that I get to go to the market. So today's market was very good. It was a good day. Let me say it was a good day because I was able to buy most of the things that I wanted to get. However, the prices were a bit high, on the higher side, because in Kenya right now we are having some protest and demonstration that happens on a Monday. They've been scheduled for every Monday, so the transporters who bring this produce from the different parts of the country are not comfortable doing the trips over the weekend, just to avoid the risk of getting their vehicles burnt up. So that is the reason most of my suppliers were giving today. But nevertheless, I'm grateful because I was able to get everything I wanted. And let me show you what I got. So quickly I'll show you what I've got. They are not washed, they are not cleaned yet. This will happen, and my good help will assist with this. So I have coriander, dhania, a good batch. It will take me for about 2 to 3 weeks. I have some fresh spring onions. I have sweet potatoes here. Today they were going for 60 shillings a kilo. No, not 60 but 70. I have a cabbage here, a bit pricey, but better than last week or the other month. That's went for 100. And I am celebrating my big bunch of this spinach. Look at this, guys. It's very fresh and bountiful. I got 3 of those batches. That's why they look so big. Let me show you. One batch was like this. I think this is very affordable, and we thank God for the rains, because when I was doing the creamy spinach video, this would have gone for 150 shillings. I am not kidding you guys. Then I got a purple cabbage. A new recipe will be coming on this. I got some carrots. They were going for, I got this for a whole 100 shillings. And then we have tomatoes there. I bought 3 kilograms, 80 shillings per kilogram. And then this is the gold of the day. These ones, yes, these ones, they are, I think, half a kilo or a kilo. But all I know is that we used to buy that for 200 shillings. Today I bought it for a whopping 450 shillings after negotiating to get the 50 shillings off. It was being sold for 500 shillings. I really don't get it, but I just got one because it would have messed my menu for the week. Then I have French beans. I bought the ones that have their ends cut off. It will be easier for us to prep them. And then let me finish with the veggies. I have avocado. Look at my avocado. Yes. I got these big ones just to accomplish something, because somebody last week was selling to me this one for 80 shillings, as in 80 shillings, but I managed to buy it for 20 shillings in the market. And I thank the lady who sold to me, because she was gracious enough for me to pick the bigger pieces. The smaller ones were the ones that were going for 20 shillings. Then I have mangoes. These mangoes, when I bought them the other time, my children really enjoyed them, and that is why I have bought them again. They are not ripe, but they will ripen as soon as we place them in the pantry, which is in a very warm place. And then I have cucumbers. Guys, have you watched my cucumber apple salad? You guys, you better watch that salad and get yourself cucumbers. That recipe is amazing. It's amazing. I buy cucumbers because they form a very good part of our salads and the other sandwiches or some things we do here. Then we have a lettuce. Yeah, this is a big one. It went for 50 shillings. The cucumbers were going for 70 shillings per kilogram, which is not so bad. Then I have mint. Have you watched my pineapple mint video? Please catch up with it and watch how you can use this to make yourself juice. This batch was going for 20 Kenyan shillings. And then a bunch of banana. This is about 80 shillings. Then I have fresh maize. Fresh maize, this we used to buy for 400 shillings. Today they are going for 100 shillings. I got the freshest and the softest so that you can boil them and have them for breakfast. Then we have broccoli. Broccoli is here and cauliflower. So these go together. I was able to buy this, which I think was it 2 or 3 kgs? Both of them were being sold by the same person at 150 per kg. So that's what I got. Then I have some pears there. They are in season here. So this is what we're enjoying. And the kids will be enjoying that as they come from school. Then I have a bucket here with bell peppers. I got yellow ones, red ones, and green ones. And then all these who are going for the yellow and red ones who are going for 150 per kilogram. I got only 1 kg. And then I have gorgets or zucchini, wherever you want to call it. And then these were about 70 shillings, a bit on the higher side depending on what we buy. Then let me move here. We have some fruits. I have a pineapple, which is gold, the second gold of the day. I don't know what happened. They were not coming in today. So even the people who are selling to me, we were getting them from the same suppliers. So I really hustled to get this pineapple. I hope it does a good job when we'll be making something out of it. Then this is, we have oranges. I am preparing, these are basically fruits to eat, but sometimes I use them to feature recipes coming up. So let me not overpromise you. Then we have 3 tomatoes. I wanted this in plenty so that we can have this as a family. And we have pawpaw or papaya. This one was going for 100 shillings. The 3 tomatoes were going for 130 shillings. Very fair deal, because the least I've bought them could be 120 on a very good day. Then we have a gigantic melon. Look at this, guys. This thing is so big. It's so big. I really felt for the guy who was carrying for me this stuff. And he managed, and we were able to get it to the car safely. Let me see if there's anything that I left out, but this is what we have. Quite a productive shopping and market day. So keep it here for Rachel Faraja's amazing recipes. I'll be bringing amazing stuff your way. So let me finish up my preparation so that I can head to the shower, and I will show you the outfit that I've worn today. And once we are there, I'll take a few photos and a few videos just to bring you in. So guys, this is the event. I've arrived, and as you can see, it's so colorful. The setup is amazing. I feel nice that we are here. It's going to be a beautiful event. I'll give you some snippets of it, and I think I'm in for a good time.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added color. one, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me